Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're delving into a profoundly crucial subject that impacts everyone living or investing in Dubai. Will registration services. Whether you're an expat savoring life in this vibrant city or a long-time resident, securing your assets and ensuring your loved ones are provided for is a responsibility that cannot be overlooked. Stick around to discover why will registration is vital in the UAE, the intricacies of the process, and how you can navigate it seamlessly from start to finish. So what exactly is a will, and why is it indispensable for residents in the UAE? At its core, a will, or last will and testament, serves as your voice when you can no longer speak, delivering precise instructions on managing your assets, properties, and responsibilities. Without a registered will, the UAE's legal framework defaults to Sharia law for inheritance, which, while structured, may not align with your personal wishes or those of your heirs. This process is vital to consider, especially in a diverse city like Dubai. As a cosmopolitan hub, where over 80% of the population comprises expats, Dubai presents unique challenges for asset inheritance. Whether you own property, investments, or business shares, understanding local laws is key. Here are scenarios where having a will becomes critical. Expat families. Owning assets in Dubai while having family abroad necessitates a will to avoid complicated and potentially costly distribution issues. The absence of a will could lead to assets being distributed according to default laws, not your specific desires. Business owners. A will allows you to devise a clear succession plan to ensure your business continues thriving under your chosen leadership. This can prevent business disarray and ensure that your enterprise remains stable. Mixed religion families. For families of varied faiths, a will can prevent disputes and ensure fair distribution according to the family's collective intentions rather than default religious laws. Property owners. If you own residential or investment properties, a will ensures they transition to your intended beneficiaries smoothly, bypassing potential legal hitches. Let's delve deeper into why having a properly drafted and registered will is critical in the UAE. Without a will, your estate automatically falls under local inheritance laws, which might lead to several potential consequences. Distribution of assets. The law dictates how assets are divided, possibly not aligning with your personal wishes. A registered will grants the control back to you, allowing for personalization. Guardianship of minor children. Courts may decide on guardianship for minors, often without regard for your preferences unless documented in a will. Financial implications. Without a will, bank accounts can be frozen, issuing potentially lengthy delays in accessing needed funds. Family impact. Assumptions and uncertainty could lead to disputes among family members due to unclear asset distribution. Legal consequences, court interventions, and the automatic application of Sharia law further complicate estate distribution matters. A will registration process transforms these potential pitfalls into manageable tasks, offering peace of mind and protecting your legacy. To start your journey in will registration, gathering the necessary documents is the essential first step. Here's what you'll need. Testator's passport. This serves as your primary proof of identity. Family declaration. A document outlining your family structure, crucial for understanding potential inheritors. List of assets. A detailed account of all properties, bank accounts, investments, and valuable possessions. Appointment of an executor. Your chosen executor is the individual responsible for ensuring that your wishes are carried out. Beneficiary information, details about who will receive what, ensuring all intended recipients are recognized. Instructions for guardianship, specifically for guardianship of minors if that applies, ensuring that your children are cared for according to your wishes. The next major aspect involves choosing the type of will that best fits your circumstances. In the UAE, there are several different options to consider. DIFC wills. Designed for non-Muslim residents, these are processed through the Dubai International Financial Center and offer a framework that might align with international legal standards and personal preferences. ADJD wills. These serve non-Muslims living in the broader areas of Abu Dhabi Judicial Department jurisdiction and are designed to be consistent with the regional legal environment. ADGM wills. Catered for Abu Dhabi global market residents, beneficial when addressing international estate components. Muslim wills. These wills are crafted to comply with Islamic Sharia law and are necessary for those wanting to honor cultural and religious practices. Several factors should be considered during the will registration process in the UAE. These include fee variations. Be prepared for costs that might vary depending on the type and complexity of your will. Language processing. Since Arabic is the official language, documents may need translation, which we recommend managing professionally to prevent misunderstandings. Adopting local knowledge. Partner with professionals familiar with UAE legal specifics to ensure smooth registration. Now, let's discuss why having a registered will is overwhelmingly beneficial. Legal certainty avoids ambiguity and assures clarity in distributing assets exactly as intended. Efficiency in asset transfer. A registered will can significantly speed up the asset transfer process, sparing loved ones from prolonged legal entanglements. Protection for family members, particularly for parents, assuring that children's guardianship falls into trusted hands is paramount. Personal control. Have the authority to decide who receives what. Effectively safeguarding your personal legacy. Let's debunk some common myths about will registration in the UAE. I'm too young to need a will. Unexpected events can happen anytime. Securing your loved ones should not be delayed. Does a will in UAE cover the assets in my home country? With a DIFC will, covering assets based outside the UAE is possible. However, whether the DIFC will be valid in your home country depends. It is best to opt for a legal advice. Contact us to know more before you create a will. Are there online will registration services in Dubai? Yes, you can register your will online in Dubai. The DIFC Courts Wills Service and ADJD offer online services for will registration. The registration process can be completed from the comfort of your home. You can contact our specialist who will simplify the process for you. Here's a comprehensive step-by-step guide to streamline your will registration process. Initial consultation. Engage with professionals to receive personalized advice about your estate planning needs. Drafting your will. Engage experienced lawyers to ensure clarity and legal soundness in your will's directives. Translation and notarization. Handling necessary translation into Arabic and organizing notarization if needed. Court registration. Submit your will for registration with Dubai Courts, DIFC, or ADJD as applicable. DIFC wills pricing. Registering for a single will at the DIFC will cost you 10,000 AED. If you're doing a bit of couples planning, a mirror will for you and your better half come in at 15,000 Emirati dirhams. ADJD wills pricing. Registering a will at the ADJD costs a mere 950 Emirati dirhams. Yes, you heard that right, under 1,000 dirhams. That's like the cost of a fancy brunch for two in Abu Dhabi. The ADJD provides services for both Muslims and non-Muslims, making it a versatile choice. As we conclude, it's essential to take an active role in securing your family's future. Don't delay. Start your path to peace of mind by beginning the will registration process today. For more insights and guidance, remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next informative session.